Special Work Permit Program ng Canada. Ang caregiver program, ang experience lang na hinihingi is 6 months. And then after 6 months, pag nag-open yung caregiver program, kasi ang caregiver program, they never remove that and they never threaten that program na alisin talaga. They close and open, pero kahit kailan hindi nila aalisin yan because we really need caregivers. We really need nanny. I believe if we can afford each household, we want to have a caregiver. We want to have a nanny. Now, because this is a special work permit program para sa mga foreign national, they allow kasi pasok sila ng application for PR even you are just a caregiver. Kasi nga special siya. So, pwede po. Now, if we talk about that experience, na-clear nyo na sa akin, it doesn't matter, importante. Yung iba nga po, wala nang work permit, walang experience, nakakakuha pa rin ng work permit na under caregiver program basta may nagpa-LMIA. How much more sa kanya? She has a work permit and also pwede siyang mag-process dito sa loob ng Canada. So, nandyan kayo to give her that sponsorship. Kaya nga, lagi kong sinasabi, di ba, yung mga may kamag-anak sila, yung mga may future dito sa Canada na magkaroon ng PR. And that's exactly what you're trying to do right now. Hindi carried yung kanyang asawa. Yes, it's true, makikarried siya. Like right now, carried ang asawa mo, right? Open permit siya. Pero wala tayong patutunguhan eh. We go back from hoping na magkaroon ka ng invitation to apply in case you get into that express entry or Canada Experience class. But this time, yes, magkaka-open permit yung asawa mo or hindi, pero walang patutunguhan yung PR. Pero ikaw, pag nagpa-sponsor ka ng caregiver or nanny, after 6 months, pag pumasok ka ng PR, kasama ang pamilya mo. May papel sila o wala. That's okay. Now, kapag ka ganun nga, worst case scenario, si asawa hindi nakahanap ng magbibigay sa kanya ng LMIA to extend his status, then apply lang siya ng temporary resident visa or visitor's record habang hinihintay etong opportunity na may mga option, public policy that when you get the chance to submit your PR application under caregiver program, may mga opportunity na nakakapag-apply na ng open permit yung applicant plus the asawa. Ganun yon. Step by step po eh. Pero, hindi ko alam kung kailan yon, di ba? Parang ngayon, ilalakad pa lang. Step by step talaga yung labanan dito.
Kasi first timer ako kukuha caregiver ani. Kailangan ko ba daw kukuha ng yung sa business permit?
Yes, opo. Kailangan nyo.
So, ilang buwan yung processing?
Usually, kapag a caregiver nanny, assuming na nakompleto natin, mabilis kayong magbigay ng documents, you go through Job Bank. Job Bank will see your business payroll number, then i-validate nila yan. Hindi agad-agad na nag-register tayo ng Job Bank, validated ka agad yung account. Hindi eh. What they do, you as employer or if you retain a professional, they will register dun sa Job Bank. Job Bank will validate and check kung totoo ba talaga tong business payroll number. They want you to provide them statement of current source deduction. Then they will check na naman kung may representative. If that representative is a licensee, isi-send nila sa iyo yung mail na tinatanong na i-verify kung totoo bang representative mo itong consultant na to. After that, medyo mahaba-haba po yung kailang may ma-validate completely at makapag-apply kayo ng advertisement sa Job Bank. Kasi number 1 po na requirement ang Job Bank advertisement. Validate na din, makakapag-advertise na kayo sa Job Bank ng at least 4 weeks uninterrupted. Advertise with other different advertisement company, then pwede na kayong mag-apply ng LMIA. So usually, pagpasok ng LMIA, it takes only 2 weeks to 1 month pag nanny at caregiver. Pag mga ibang position, it takes even a year. Ang tagal. Hire a nanny na walang sakit or walang doctor certificate, they will not approve yung Job Bank, the LMIA, natitira yung tao doon sa bahay ng employer. Now, kapag may health certificate or doctor certificate yung employer na pinapakita na may sakit yung taong aalagaan, then they are allowed to stay live-in. That's the difference. Now, since wala, to apply for no accommodation.